Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two of the most popular product selling tools in the world, Shopify and WooCommerce. If you're planning to start an online store or you're confused about which platform is better for selling products online, this video is for you. I'll walk you through what these tools are, what they're used for, the main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and at the end I'll give you a balanced conclusion on which one is better, depending on your needs. So let's get started. Shopify is a fully hosted, all-in-one e-commerce platform designed specifically for selling products online. With Shopify, you don't need to worry about buying hosting, setting up security, or managing complicated technical configurations. Everything is handled for you. Shopify is built for people who want to launch fast and sell without stress. From the moment you sign up, Shopify gives you the tools to create an online store, upload products, accept payments, manage orders, track customers, and even sell on social media and in physical locations. Now let's talk about WooCommerce, which works very differently. WooCommerce is an open source e-commerce plugin for WordPress. Instead of being a complete platform on its own, WooCommerce turns an existing WordPress website into a fully functional online store. WooCommerce is all about freedom and flexibility. You're not locked into a single system. You choose your hosting provider, your theme, your plugins, and how your store works from top to bottom. This makes WooCommerce incredibly powerful, but also more hands-on. Unlike Shopify, WooCommerce itself is free to install. However, you'll need to manage things like hosting, security, updates, backups, and performance on your own or through a hosting provider. WooCommerce is especially popular among users who already use WordPress or who want full control over their store's design, features, and data. Now let us talk about the main features of these platforms. We start with Shopify. Fully hosted platform. No technical setup is required. Built-in security and SSL. Easy product and inventory management. Centralized dashboard for orders, customers, and analytics. There's also a mobile app for managing your store on the go. And there's a large app marketplace for adding marketing, shipping, and automation tools. It supports selling online, in person, and across multiple channels. Shopify's features are designed to help you focus on selling, not on technical maintenance. Now let's head on to WooCommerce. WooCommerce is open sourced and highly customizable. It is built on WordPress, giving access to thousands of themes and plugins. No limit on products or variations. It supports a wide range of payment gateways and advanced SEO control using WordPress tools. Also, you have complete ownership of your website and store data. WooCommerce's biggest feature is control. You can customize almost everything if you're willing to put in the work. So let us talk about the pricing details. For Shopify, there's the basic plan, there's the Grow plan, Advanced plan, and Plus plan. For the basic, it costs $19 per month, and that's for solopreneurs. For the Grow plan, which is for small teams, you have $54 per month, Advanced plan at $299 per month, and the Plus plan at $2,300 per month. Now it's interesting to know that you get to pay $1 for the first 3 months, which is great. And that plan works on the first 3 plans. So even when you eventually pay $19 for the basic plan, as an example, you pay $1 for the first 3 months. Here's another interesting part. Alternative solutions for your business on Shopify. There's a starter plan at $5 per month, where you sell instantly through social media and messaging apps or a simple online store. And there's a retail plan at $89 per month. This is for in-person selling tools with advanced staff, inventory, and loyalty features. And for WooCommerce, as earlier mentioned, it is free, but it's not completely cost-free to run because you need to pay for hosting, a domain name, security, and possibly premium plugins that you will need to use in affiliation with your website. So what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? For Shopify, the pros. It's very easy to use even for beginners. Hosting, security, and updates all handled for you. You have clean and professional design templates and reliable performance and scalability. And the pros of WooCommerce is extremely flexible and customizable. No mandatory monthly platform fees, and you have full control over your store and data. How about the cons? For Shopify, the monthly subscription fees can be high, and there might be additional transaction fees. And with WooCommerce, it requires more technical knowledge, and you're responsible for your maintenance and security. So which is better, Shopify or WooCommerce? Well, if you're looking for simplicity, speed, and peace of mind, Shopify is hard to beat. It's perfect for beginners, non-technical users, and business owners who want everything handled for them. You pay more, but in exchange, you get convenience and reliability. But on the other hand, if you want maximum control, you want flexibility and long-term customization, and you already own a website, then WooCommerce is the better option. It's ideal for WordPress users, developers, or business owners who want to fully own their store and avoid platform limitations. So ultimately, there's no universal winner here. The better tool is the one that aligns with your skills, your budget, and business goals. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore BigCommerce, Wix e-commerce, and Squarespace commerce. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.